Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to order beauty products on Sephora's Black Friday sale. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to order beauty products on Sephora's Black Friday sale, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Sephora application. Then be sure to be logged into your account, and next is to knowing when Sephora's Black Friday sale happens. Sephora usually runs Black Friday or Cyber Week event. According to Sephora's Black Friday preview page, you'll see a special categories like makeup, skincare, fragrance or hairs during the sale. Then once you do that, all you gotta do now is join Sephora's Beauty Insider program. If you are not already a member, join Beauty Insider. To do it, simply tap on the me icon on the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside there, here you will be finding the Beauty Insider summary. Simply tap on that, and now if you want to be a member, simply tap on join now and follow the on-screen prompts, which gives you free and early access or notification for sales. During big events, Insider member often gets the best deal alerts or sample bag bonuses. Use your Insider account to save items to your wish list or cart ahead of time so you can check out quickly when the deal drops. To do it, simply head over to the shop icon or simply tap on the home, and if the product is there, simply tap on it, and now all you gotta do is tap on add to basket. Next is to use promo code smartly. In Sephora Black Friday events, promo codes like everything have been used, so promo codes can be given on the top of the homepage as well, like try more frag, which gives you free fragrance trial sizes with $50, $80 or $100 purchases. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.